news update coming in. These are pictures, the first pictures of the meeting that currently is taking place. The health ministry meet, remember, is underway. Several state health ministers are currently interacting with the union health minister, and in that sense the first pictures that Times Now has accessed on your screens. Now remember, we have been breaking down details of the kind of measures that have been announced by the health ministry so far the last 2 days, given the rise in the number of COVID cases, not just in China but several other nations such as Japan and the United States as well. Let me go across to Mayank as we keep up with these visuals. Mayank, a detailed conversation that is taking place between the Union Health Minister and several other state health ministers. The first visuals on our screens.
Absolutely, Christine. This is a series of events conducted by the Health Ministry, and the meeting was done by the Health Ministry, senior officials of the Health Ministry, to start with the process of upgradation of infrastructure and raising vigil against the COVID-19 in the country. And today, after holding meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, and also Civil Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia, now Mansukh Mandaviya, the Health Minister, is meeting virtually with state health ministers to ask them to ramp up the facilities, because what health policy makers of the country are focusing is on ramping up infrastructure and bringing it back to the same level as it was in the heights of the pandemic, because that is the focus of the government, because they believe in case of any emergency there won't be much time left to ramp up infrastructure. That's they're focusing on ramping up infrastructure, and the health ministry believes that the states have to play a vital role, and that's why this meeting has to be kept in that context. And this meeting is very crucial for India's preparedness for a possible rise in COVID-19 and maybe a wave of pandemic as well, because there are cases surging in China, and there have been levels of concerns raised by both Prime Minister and also the Health Minister.